Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to navigate the CalicoDesk Sidebar. Let's get started.
On the sign-in page, enter the email address associated with your CalicoDesk account.
After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. The first section is Conversations. Here, you can view all your customer conversations. Use the available filters to switch between different conversation lists and manage your chats more efficiently. Next, go to the Customers section. Here, you can view your verified visitors, active customers, and suspended customers. After that, open the Campaigns section. From here, you can create and manage your customer campaigns. Simply click Create Campaign and follow the setup based on your requirements. Next, let's look at saved replies. Click Add Reply. Give your reply a name, for example, Greeting. Select a reply group, write your message, then click Save. This helps you respond to common customer questions much faster. These are the basic navigation features you'll use most often while getting started with CalicoDesk. We'll cover advanced features like AI agents, campaigns, and other tools in separate tutorial videos.
Thanks for watching!